The most important factor for a quick recovery process after surgery is primarily the patient's health. In other words, the patient's wound healing and the rapid recovery of tissues depend on themselves. But there are things that can be done for this. For example, there are certain things to pay attention to before the surgery. For example, it is advisable not to take blood thinners like aspirin, not to consume multivitamins, not to drink green tea before surgery, and to avoid eating certain red fruits such as strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, as well as staying away from garlic and ginger. Additionally, it is very important not to consume alcohol starting 3 days before the surgery. Not doing heavy exercise 3 days before surgery will speed up recovery after the operation. After surgery, following the doctor's recommendations and using medication properly are already very important. Again, it is important not to do heavy work, not to exercise, and not to exert oneself physically. It is necessary to stay away from the sun. It is important that direct sunlight does not hit our face. At the same time, we have some medications that we can use after surgery to speed up recovery. Medications that contain bromelain in particular. At the same time, we can benefit from the edema-reducing effects of certain nutrients, such as parsley and parsley juice, and consuming pineapple. After a certain period, once the casts are removed and the bandages are taken off, we recommend long-term bandage application for some of our patients. We also suggest certain massages. It is very important that these massages are applied correctly. In addition, we have devices that we use in the nasal cavity for some of our patients in recent years. Their use is important. In other words, when doctors' recommendations are followed, there are no problems in recovery. Generally, this is how the process goes.